Alright, so we got the black stone on low heat. Just gonna start out with the bacon. Let that cook up a little bit. Let the grease come off it. Basically what I'm doing with this is cooking everything in stages. So I'm gonna cook this bacon first. Then I'm gonna leave a little bit of the grease on there and throw the onions on. Cook those, and I'm gonna put everything off to the side. Then cook up the patties, which are not gonna take long at all. But the thing is, the cheese crust is gonna take a little bit of time. It's gonna take a few minutes because you want the sides to solidify and the bottom to get a nice golden brown color on it. So that might take a little bit of time, but other than that, you know, cook everything in stages. Then you just put it all together at the end, and it should work out pretty good. I'm gonna go with this little rack right here. Put stuff off to the side. So that bacon grease is already pretty salty, but I'm just going with this Blanco rub from Meat Church. It's pretty much like a salt, pepper, garlic, and some spices. Pretty much all purpose. All right, so there it is, guys. The cheese crusted smash burgers with bacon and jalapenos, caramelized onions on a sesame seed bun. It's the first time I ever made these. Got that crunchy cheese crust. Yeah, a ton of cheese on there, a ton of bacon. I mean, I think it's a heart attack waiting to happen, but it's gonna be a good heart attack. But I mean, it's kind of a mess. I've never made this before, so I didn't really know what it was gonna look like, but all in all, I say give it a try. Try it out, see what you think. Thanks for watching the video, I appreciate it. share the content if you like the content, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.